Greetings runners, this is the recap for day 2, Friday of the Bear Lake Trifecta. This race started out in Cokeville, Wyoming. Cokeville is about an hour from Garden City, Utah. It is not on Bear Lake, but it's got to be the scenic half for the Bear Lake Trifecta. The scenery out in Wyoming is just beautiful, especially on this course. It is an up and down course. Starting elevation was about 6,200 feet. You climb 320 feet, and then you come straight back down into Cokeville. Starting temperature at the race was it was 24 degrees. A little bit different 24 degrees on the East Coast because there wasn't much humidity, not much chill. It was a really great temperature if you try to get a PR, even at altitude, even climbing a couple hundred feet there. The elevation gain was 325 feet on the course. It wasn't up and down, and the course was all paved, it's all roadway. There's not much in Cokeville, so if you need anything, get it out in Garden City or Logan before you even come into the area. There was a gas station and the Hideout hotel out there. On this course, stayed to the one side. Everybody pretty much stayed to the right side. Traffic, what little traffic there was, stayed to the left, and it really wasn't an issue. With day 2, they had the rolling starts. They had the rolling starts in all 3 races. It's kind of a COVID issue, but it's a great thing because with the rolling start, you're not running at someone else's race. You start when you're ready. So in my case, the pack took off. I waited a couple minutes, got myself all set up with the camera and all the other tracking apps, and then took off and ran my race. You don't know where anybody is in the race because they started different times. One of my racing partners, he started after me, so I finished before him, but he ultimately ran a faster course and beat me there. But one of the other tips is when you come back and you get the results, just wait 30-45 minutes, because those results are going to change because people do start later, up till 45 minutes later. But it was great because it wasn't a really big pack and it was a lot of fun. You pretty much run your own race. Tomorrow is Utah, and tomorrow's video will also give you a bunch of tips on how to get out to Bear Lake, some things you can do to make it a lot more enjoyable, and some lessons that I learned. That's all for now. Thank you.